Go ahead, kick it. No more from a brand new one. God, that's smooth. Solid. Hey, what?
Somewhere over $25,000.
And what year did you pick it up?
I picked it up 2 years ago.
Okay. And then what year is it?
It's an '88 Mustang GT.
All right.
Has 47,000 miles on it, as far as I know. The upholstery was all virtually new in it, except I did have the original fabric put on the driver's seat.
Okay.
And
they do wear out, yes.
yeah, it has new tires, new wheels.
How about the engine? What's the story on the engine?
Well,
How did you get it to look like that?
Well, the engine was pulled, of course, and steam cleaned and gussied up a bit, but it's not, you know, it's not been chromed and all that
right
stuff. It's very much original.
Okay, so what are we asking here?
I think we'll probably look at 18,000 and we'll just see where it goes.
All right. Anything else you want to add to it?
No, it's...
How many miles did you put on it?
I haven't probably put 1,000 miles on it since I had it done.
It's got how many altogether?
47.
God, still a baby. All right, well, thank you, sir.
Thank you.